this video, I'm going to share a 2-minute hack to help you remove a search suggestion ban from your X account. If you're new here, I'm Jacob, and I've removed over 30 of these bans in the past couple months, so I'll be drawing on that experience to help you fix yours. To begin, open X in a browser and go to your privacy and safety settings. And first, you're going to click on your posts and then make sure this box is not checked. If you check this box, your content will be marked as sensitive and you will automatically receive a search suggestion ban. In some cases, simply unchecking this box will fix your ban. Next, click on content you see and then make sure this box is also unchecked. Unchecking this box is going to let you see the sensitive content label, which will be crucial for the next step. Now that your settings are correct, scroll through your profile, look for any posts or replies that contain the sensitive content label. Now, if you've never seen this before, here's what it looks like. If you find any posts or replies on your profile that contain this label, delete them. Next, as you're scrolling through your profile, check if any of the accounts you have reposted currently have a search suggestion ban. If they do, undo any reposts of that account. If you repost something from an account with a search suggestion ban, you will inherit their ban. After following all these steps, wait for a few days and eventually your ban will be removed. If it's not, send me a DM on X and I will help you. If you're dealing with more than just a search suggestion ban, I've put together this video that explains a lot more about how shadow bans work. You can watch it by clicking the video on screen.